Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to record football games on YouTube TV. Let's first navigate to the search, and here we click sports and we filter football. Here we can see upcoming games. If we're say interested in recording this game between Iowa and UCLA, we click add to library. We can choose if you want to just record this single game, or if you want to record all NCAA football events, we can click here. So you can choose. You can record individual games or all events. If we scroll down, you can also browse whole leagues. And if you click these three dots here and you click add, the whole league will be added to your library and recorded. Same stands for teams. So if you're interested in following individual team and you would like to record all their games, click these three dots here, click add, and this team is added to your library and all upcoming games will be recorded. So as a summary, you can choose to record all the games of your favorite team, you can record an entire league, or you can just record an individual game. And you record by clicking three dots and adding it to your library with this plus icon. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.